Dovly Honest Review. Watch before using. Dovly is a credit repair service designed for people who want an automated and hassle-free way to improve their credit scores. It's ideal for anyone with negative items on their credit report, such as late payments, charge-offs, or inquiries, who doesn't have the time or expertise to dispute them manually. Dovly uses AI-driven technology to identify inaccuracies on your credit report, then disputes them directly with credit bureaus on your behalf. The platform's key feature is that it automates the entire process, making it incredibly user-friendly, even for those with no prior knowledge of credit repair. One of the main selling points of Dovly is that it's free to use at the basic level. However, for users looking for faster results and more disputes per month, there's a paid tier called Dovly Premium. This plan allows you to tackle more credit report inaccuracies in less time and includes additional perks like credit monitoring and alerts. The process itself is simple. After signing up, you link your credit report to the platform, and Dovly identifies what can be improved. From there, the disputes are automatically submitted to the credit bureaus, saving you from dealing with paperwork or having to negotiate directly. Dovly is not a quick fix. It can take several months to see meaningful changes to your credit score, depending on the complexity of your issues. But it's an effective tool for long-term credit health management. It's also noting that Dovly focuses only on disputing items that are likely to be errors. It won't help with valid debts or legal judgments against you. For those who want hands-off credit repair and are comfortable with the time it may take, Dovly is a solid option. In conclusion, Dovly offers a seamless, automated way to manage and improve your credit score without needing to be an expert. It's a perfect fit for individuals who want simplicity, convenience, and AI-driven efficiency. However, it's important to have realistic expectations. It's not a miracle solution, but rather a well-rounded, automated service for those looking to improve their financial health gradually.